Assalamu alaikum people, welcome to my channel. This is Anum here, and today's tutorial is about quick sketch of lips, and I'm starting with the pencil 2B. Okay guys, whenever we are shading lips, we consider the light and as the light is hitting at this area, this, we will not shade it, and I'm just shading a little underneath the underlips. And I am using 4B pencil here and here. And as the upper lip is here, a bit shadow will be here on the other lip. I'm shading it in a round shape just to make it a bit shade. So guys, this is for today's tutorial, and I will catch you in next one. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Take care.